Services in any rural community are difficult to find. In Western North Carolina, where we're blessed to have such beautiful mountains, it's really important for us that we have sites of care that are close to home. And our critical access hospitals out in those communities are doing just that.
To ensure emergency departments are able to treat patients at all times, hospitals receive reimbursement from Medicare for ED clinician downtime. This is especially important for critical access hospitals whose patient flow is harder to predict. VersaBadge is a revolutionary technology, enabling any hospital to capture, categorize, and report ED clinician time far more accurately and efficiently than traditional methods.
It's a real value for a critical access hospital to be able to accurately capture that time and to submit that to CMS for potential reimbursement.
We spent time with time and motion studies and observers and trying to extrapolate that time and timesheets. But we know that it's just next to impossible to capture all of that as accurately as we would like.
And so if we had a technology solution that we could track providers' time and accurately report that to CMS, that's a win-win.
VersaBadge is a Bluetooth low-energy RTLS solution that allows for the real-time tracking of physicians.
It tracks providers and turns that tracking into compliant CMS reporting that can be submitted for reimbursement.
Here's how it works. A series of receivers are placed around the hospital, creating a coverage area. Small, unobtrusive tracker beacons can be easily attached to ID badges. Movement is tracked within the coverage area, providing real-time location data all the time.
So to be able to accurately pinpoint within 3 feet exactly where they are at any given point in time and for the exact amount of time that they're in that area is critical for it to be defensible if it were ever to be audited.
The cost reporting aspects of critical access hospitals and the cost-based reimbursement, we now know we're getting it not just generally right, but precisely right.
Complete coverage with no ambiguity.
The VersaBadge solution uses off-the-shelf products in a secure way that are easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to monitor, and it just makes it a very cost-effective solution for a critical access hospital.
It was easy to set up. It was quick to get off the ground. It's small. We put the receivers in the rooms. We put the badges on the doctors. The doctors were real engaged. They were excited to be part of something new and innovative and help the hospital.
As far as the badges on the providers or on a nurse, you just hook them right onto your badge. They're innocuous.
VersaBadge has the capability to aggregate, analyze, and report detailed location data to better inform CMS cost reporting.
When we started going through all the information that VersaBadge had provided, we started to see the number, the percent of non-patient care time rise and rise and rise. And the percentage had gone from 6% of non-patient care time to almost 30%.
That's a quick ROI. That's a hard ROI that finance can sink their teeth into and point to and use.
This is the tip of the iceberg as to what the use cases are.
The same VersaBadge infrastructure that supports ED clinician tracking can be deployed throughout a hospital to perform a host of essential RTLS use cases. Key functions like asset tracking, PAR level management, patient flow monitoring, infection control, rental equipment utilization, staff duress response and alerting can be incrementally built out utilizing the VersaBadge platform. Powerful functionality at a fraction of the price of other RTLS solutions.
And all of those and so much more are available to be developed on top of this low-cost, scalable infrastructure platform that we've put in place and demonstrated with this one use case, but the sky's the limit.
It's the right thing to do, both from a compliance standpoint, and it's the right thing to do to enhance revenue opportunities for our critical access hospitals.
VersaBadge offered this incredible value proposition of get essentially the same functionality as RTLS for dramatically a fraction of the price. It was a no-brainer that we wanted to try this, and it's been a spectacular experience.
Visit VersaBadge.com to learn more, or email us at info@versabadge.com.